it could be game over. It's very, very dangerous. It's pretty critical that we get there on time. Potential winners there, the boys. Potential.
I got a spare dual cardboard there.
The guy broke his leg, and Andrew got the message from the team, and it's not good.
Cross Labrador, bring it on.
Cain'S Quest, longest and toughest endurance snowmobile race in the world. Over 3,100 kilometers or 2,000 miles across the interior and coastal regions of Labrador, Canada. This race takes place every couple of years and is attended by people around the world in anticipation of the huge monetary winning prizes, but mostly the sense of accomplishment for completing such a tremendous run in the most extreme conditions. Making this race possible requires some 500 plus volunteers, people behind the scenes, coordinating and ensuring not only that the race is completed, but done in the most efficient and safe manner. My son Andrew has volunteered to support Team 82 in their race, which will require a 500 to 600 kilometer skidoo ride up into northern Labrador to haul gas and other supplies for them to utilize. He is joined with his good friends Tony and Curtis, who will also be heading that way in support, so I decided to tag along to see just how the whole behind the scenes operation works. I didn't know exactly what I was in for. The excitement, highs and lows, the danger, adrenaline rushes, but mainly gaining the deepest respect for both the racers and the teams that support them. Come along for the ride, but hang on if you do.
Not stopping now. Gotta keep the throttle down, not going down. Gotta keep the throttle down. Keep the throttle down.
Rick, your lock sucks. Going off pretty good. Made it okay. Andrew's Skidoo was acting up a little bit, but hope it's going to be okay later on. About 9 o'clock, just getting here. No big troubles. Last one of our sleds, the hitch pin came off. Other than that, it was pretty uneventful. Cool off pretty good now. I think the boys just got the lock thawed out. Humble little camp, but it looks good now. Let's get inside and get some supper on the go. Oh man, we even got lights here. One of the guys brought a generator. Let's have a look at our camp. Yes, boy. Perfect. This is a camp, buddy. 4 bunks. Even got a bathroom. Get some heat on there.
Change your modes.
Boys, 3 beef steaks and a couple of moose steaks there, and wieners for tasters.
And that took a good everybody. But
past it and the tailgate. You hold it. Yeah.
This is the support team in reach. What time did the team get into
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. So they can leave 8 o'clock from church, right?
Yeah.
Courage come say hello to us this morning. One up in the tree. Usually there's one up in the tree. There's could be a dozen on the ground. It's gonna be hard to see here, but oh, I hear more flying. I can hear them now, eh?
You can hear them?
Hear the other ones crackling, eh? Oh, another two up in the tree over there. Machines are all gassed up. Now we're going to head up to Schefferville. It's not quite as far as a journey as yesterday, but close to it. We're going to leave a couple sleighs, take the bare essentials, and take the stuff that's for the racers, which is what it's all about, of course. These ice ridges form out of nowhere in the middle of the lake, and if you happen to come across that in the dark, it could be game over. It's very, very dangerous, and you got to watch what you're doing for sure. Critical stuff. Didn't she? She was bagging. Just stopping to check our loads and stuff there now. This is a gift out here today. This lake can get extremely rough in both weather, wind, snow, and snow conditions, but it's virtually flat, which is a wonderful thing. Makes it a lot easier on us traveling, and it takes us most of the way to Schefferville, actually. So I think we're about over halfway up this one now. You get the vest on, eh? Okay. Look at that, boys. Potential winners there, the boys. Potential. Potential. Wow. They ain't slowing down, are they? It's the last stop before we reach the town of Schefferville, Quebec, where we got to get the gas to the guys, and it's pretty critical that we get there on time, because if we don't get there with the gas, the guys can't go on. Maybe the place that we stopped here for a moment, the place there was a fairly bad accident here last week, the first day of the race or so, and a guy broke his leg and had to be flown out to a hospital. You never know with this stuff, high speeds, and one little thing goes wrong and you're off your machine and anything could happen. How's it going, buddy? How's it going? You bad, bud?
I got a spare dual carbide there that might work for you. What? I had one dual carbide, that's all I got.
I got doubles there, but I don't think it's gonna have on.
What are you doing?
You want to move full bit?
You want an impact or socket?
She's going home like that. No, I don't care anymore.
Oh, listen, boys. You got there's a speed limit in the culvert. After that, wide open.
Yeah.
Right to checkpoint.
Ear all flopped to the side.
He had a buddy whip last time.
Are you ready? Go get it! Andrew just checked in with our contact there, and our team is having some issues at one of the checkpoints, or back in the Gabbro area anyway. So we figured we'd stop in here and have a bite to eat. Well, we just ordered our meal, and Andrew got the message from the team, and it's not good. One of the guys rolled the machine pretty hard, and now the other guy is having trouble with his machine, and it looks like it's unresolvable. So they have officially scratched, and just like that, we're done. So even though we reached our destination and it was a good trip and all, we'll just basically take our gas and head back home again. But hey, when you got weather like this and conditions like this, it could be a lot worse. Anyway, congrats to the team. You guys put in a huge effort, and congratulations to all the team racers who tried this year as well. Glad to be able to be a part of this support for this year. Hope to be a part of it again next year. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed. Here, boy, are you ready? We'll go get it. You can get a pizza and bring back to Lab City.
But Team 99 went on to win the race, followed up by Teams 73 and 79. I must say I thoroughly enjoyed this experience and will definitely do it again. And so should you, as it's one of those things you have to experience to fully appreciate. Thanks again to Andrew, Tony, and Curtis for letting me tag along. And come on with the next Cain'S Quest, the longest and toughest snowmobile endurance race in the world.
Not stopping.